Whew. I'm so full. I can't eat no more barbecue, and I definitely can't eat more fries. Hey, honey, how about you?
Yeah, that barbecue, I tell you what, it's sure good stuff right there. And them fries, woo dog, it's French fries.
Well, I like them fries too, but I can only eat so many French fries. You know, and you got the curly fries, you got McDonald's kind of fries, and you got them home fries, like they make it to Cracker Barrel, real thick ones. I'm done with French fries.
Well, the best fries are Zaxby's. They got that seasoned stuff on them.
Well, what about them Chick-fil-A fries? Those waffle fries is pretty good too. It's like a lot of little fries put together. I like them too.
I tell you what, I could go for a French fry and a Wendy's Frosty right now. Good Lord of mercy.
Well, speaking of French fries, you know, contrary to popular belief, French fries weren't made in France. Did you know that?
They weren't made of French?
Well, of course not. They were fried in grease.
Well, what kind of grease? You got vegetable oil, you got lard, you got olive oil. What were they fried in? What kind of grease?
No, honey. Greece, the country. French fries are not French. They were fried in Greece, the country.
Oh.